Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use lock screen shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, first we have to obviously go into our lock screen. And as you can see, we have two buttons right here. One is for phone calls and one is for camera. If you want to use a button on the right, we just hold it and swipe to the opposite direction. For the camera, it is left. But if you want to use button on the left, we simply swipe to the right. And that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.